I welcome you all to this new video. Today I'm going to talk on SIG vacuum bottle. This video will help you know whether the website I'm talking here, sig.com, is legit or scam. If you have not purchased anything from this website yet, this unbiased review of mine will help you decide the answer to your question, should I buy something from here or not. Friends, if you have experienced any fraud with this website, watch this video till end as I'm going to share a way to get your money back. But before that, let's find out some essential details about the product. Here you can see this is the website sig.com. You will find a lot of bottle collections in this website. Here you can see the water bottles available on the site. These are the water bottle, Lucid Florida Ultra, Lemon, Shy Pink and other colors. Lot of variants, color, design, shapes you will find here on the website in the collection option. But guys, only looking at the collection and the price of the product, we cannot tell whether this website is legit or not. For this, we have done a thorough investigation on the website, which we will going to share with you all. But before sharing this, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel, as it will boost our spirit to make more informative videos for your assistance. Moving further, friends, our thorough investigation has come up with some of the points which I would like to share with you all. Well guys, this website is HTTPS secured and it was registered on 13th December 2003. Yes friends, this website is almost 16 years old and it is existing in the market. But still friends, I found a lot of loopholes here. When you see these additional pages, you will not find any about us page. Also in the contact information, you will find that they have only given a form through which you can contact them. No phone number and any other contact address is given here, which is again a loophole for the website who is in existence from last 16 years. Moving further, you will find that only some FAQs, terms and conditions, privacy policy, jobs, store locators, contact and media options are given here, which are very few to know whether the website is offering returns, refund, what is their shipping policy. All these details are not mentioned here. Also in this privacy policy, you will not find much useful information. They have not given any email address from where you can find out the details. But guys, when you search for the privacy policy in detail, you will here find that some details have been given about the website here, in which they have mentioned that the party responsible for processing and protecting data on this website is, yes, they have given that the party responsible is SIG Switzerland Bottles AG. Also they have given the address here along with the telephone number and email ID. The responsible party is the natural legal person who alone or jointly with others decide on the purpose and means of processing personal data. So they have shared some details here which you will not find in the contact us page, but yes, you will find in the privacy policy page. Moving further and talking about the customer reviews and social media presence, well friends, I found that yes, the website has a presence of its own. Also there were some customer reviews. Also the products sold on this website are being sold on amazon.com also, which is a very famous website. Well guys, I have received a mixed reviews on the product because all the products sold here are from China. Yes, this website belongs to Switzerland, but it is selling Chinese products. Yes, all the bottles are from China, and therefore people who are not happy with the product quality have stated that they are deceiving customers because the products are not of a superior quality as they are made of China. They are not happy with its quality. Moving further friends, overall I would like to say that any website which is in existence from last 16 years and has been selling its product on many big platforms, the website seems to be a legit one. But friend, make sure you buy things after doing a thorough research on your own end. Anyone who have purchased bottles from this website, I request them to share their experience about the website here. Friends, if you are looking for the money back option, it's very simple. All you have to do is view the link which we have given in our description box. Please share your thoughts on this video, like this video, subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Be safe, be informed. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.